Good morning and welcome you all in my English class. Now I am moving to the question number A1, that is comprehension. Choose the correct answer. So first question is, why did the king want someone from outside the family to succeed him? Option A, he had no son. He liked outsider more. His hairs were lazy. So student, definitely his hairs were lazy. This is the right answer. Okay. Again come. Chan's seed did not sprout, yet he took his empty ball to the temple. Why? चंद के जो सीड थे स्प्राउट नहीं हुए थे, फिर भी वो अपनी खाली जो बोल थी उसको लेके टेम्पल तक राजा के पास चला गया. क्यों? नंबर ए, ही वॉज अफ्रेड दैट ही वुड बी पनिश इफ ही डिड नॉट गो. बी नंबर, हिज मदर सेड दैट ही हैड डन हिज बेस्ट सो ही शुड कीप हिज प्रॉमिस. एंड C number, he did not care about the emperor rest. So best answer is B number, that is his mother said that he had done his best so he should keep his promise, so that he went to the temple. Number 3, you have to do here this character and tick the correct ones. Here are some words that tell us about Chan's character. So Chan was honest, you can write, not coward, courageous, obedient, clever, simple, shy, cruel, truthful, foolish. So that is obedient, honest and truthful. 3 are the best option for, that suited to the character of the Chans. So write down here. Like courageous also you can do it, but he has no courage. That shows that he has no courage because he was getting fear a little bit. So he was honest, obedient and truthful. Now moving to the question answer. Students, the first question is, how do we know that the emperor had grown old? The answer is, the emperor's dark ponytail had turned into white and he wanted to choose his successor. This showed that emperor had grown old. The second question is, what did the emperor decide to do when he felt that his hairs were lazy? Answer is, the emperor decided to choose his successor from outside his family. The third question is, the townsmen were shocked at the emperor's words. What shocked them? The answer is, when the emperor announced that he would choose his successor from outside his family. These words shocked the townsmen. The question number 4, what did the emperor give the townsmen? What did he want them to do? The answer is, the emperor gave one seed to the townsmen and he wanted them to bring back into a plant after 1 year. The fifth is, what did Chan's mother give him? Answer, Chan's mother gave him a porcelain to grow the seed. The question number 6 is, why was Chan worried about his seed? Answer, Chan was worried about his seed because his seed did not sprout after watering and nurturing a lot. The question number 7 is, Chan said, I failed. Had he really failed? Give a reason for your answer. The answer is, no, Chan was not failed because the seed was boiled which could not sprout. The question number 8. Do you think that the emperor was really a wise man? Give reason for your answer. Yes, the emperor was a really wise man because he had given boiled seed to everyone and he wanted to see who was the truthful person in his town so that he could choose his worthy successor. So students, I am moving to the question C2, which I have already done. Underline the verb in the sentence given below and change them to simple future tense. One is done for you. So one is, first is, you can see, Naren writes a letter to his mother. So future tense, that changes into future tense. The answer is Naren will write a letter to his mother. Similarly, we have to do the second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth. So I have already done it. I am just going to read out only. Balu went to the park today. So went is the past tense. So when you are going to change into future, that went will be changed into go. So write down, Balu will go to the park today. The third number is, Uncle Ram bought me some sweets. Just see, bought is also the past tense of bring. So whenever you are going to change future, so there will become will, and will के साथ में फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है, वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म आता है. So that will be changed into bring. So Uncle Ram will bring me some sweets. 4 number, Baron sells his bicycle. Sells is a present tense. So that will be changed. If you are going to change into future, so will come and sells में से s हट जाएगा. So Baron will sell his bicycle. Number 5, Paltu carries the sack to the market. Similarly, that will be also done. So Paltu will carry sacks, S-A-C-K-S, to the market. Okay. The 6th one is, Kate eats rice for dinner. Kate will eat. That S हट जाता है because Kate is the third person that carry the singular verb. So this is the singular verb present tense. But when you write with will, that S will be removed. So Kate will eat rice for dinner. So I have done this one. So my dear students, watch this video till the end so that you can get all the question answer and write down in your notebook. So next week I will come back with the new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thanks a lot.